Today I'm going to share with you the test of so. Test of so, the word so. So ask yourself this question. So, whenever you write something about your product and ask yourself so, that will be a killer to your sales pitch. So, whenever you're writing what you have to present, distinguish between the feature and the benefit. Features and benefits. Benefits is what the product does, and feature is what it is. So, the test of so is like if you're saying the customer, Mr. Prospect, this is what our product does, and the customer has in his mind a question. So, this is how we are as a company. So what it means to you is, I always say there are two linking words or two sets of linking words between a feature and a benefit. If you say the feature first, then you have to say what it means to you is to avoid the so test or to cut off the so test. Or if you're saying benefits first, you have to connect it with the word because. This is the benefit you get because of this feature. My suggestion, always say benefits first and then because, or if you've already said the feature, immediately convert into what's in it for me by saying what it means to you is. Remember, customers don't like to be sold. They like to buy because you're giving them some business results or some result that they are seeking, not because what you have to sell. That's the thumb rule in sales. Apply the so test to your sales pitches, and I'm damn sure you will be a bestseller.